Hello everyone, I'm Ashlee and today I've got Neewer ZRP16 Alexa voice control ring light. In this video I'm going to explain how to use this fantastic product from Neewer and show you some tips on how to get the best use. Let's begin by unboxing the product. Please ensure that you have everything before getting started. This includes the carry bag, the ring light, the light stand, the Bluetooth remote, the cold shoe adapter, the smartphone adapter, the power supply, and the manual. If you've got everything, you're good to go. Next, let's quickly dive into what this product has to offer. To start with, in the name, the ring light is 16 inches wide, which means that you can achieve professional lighting wherever you go. It's great for everyone, especially beauticians, social media stars, and streamers. Secondly, the main feature, multiple control. You are able to control the ring light manually using the built-in touch control board. Or my favorite control, going hands-free using an Alexa device. The Amazon Alexa application is pretty amazing, as it allows you to control multiple lights at once by creating groups. The ring light features a standard cold shoe mount, which enables you to install a DSLR or smartphone without any hassle. And it also comes with a very handy Bluetooth remote, which connects with your smartphone for the perfect selfie whilst using the smartphone adapter. Going further, the ring light features 240 energy-saving LEDs, it is 180-degree rotatable, and features an elegant and beautiful design. Right, let's begin setting this up. Firstly, let's install the ring light to a light stand. Simply slide the ring light into the top of your light stand and twist the bracket securing knob to tighten it into place. Next, let's install the cold shoe adapter. Easily slide the bottom into the cold shoe mount and turn the above wheel in a clockwise motion until it's tight. Then twist the entire adapter in a clockwise motion. Doing it this way ensures that the adapter is as secure as possible. Now you need to decide which device you're going to use. If you're going to be using a DSLR, then you can jump straight in. But if you want to use your smartphone, now is the time to install the smartphone adapter. Installation is just as easy for both. Simply align the screw correctly and use a clockwise motion. Then turn the securing wheel located at the top of the cold shoe adapter to make sure it's snug. Quick tip, on the smartphone adapter, there are two screw holes. This one is for portrait shooting, and this one is for landscape shooting. The last step is to give it some power. Using the power supply, plug the socket into your power source, and the other end into the back of the built-in control board. Lastly, press the switch down on the power cord. Quick tip, now is a good time to use the angle adjustment wheel to ensure that the best position is ready. Taking a quick look at the control board, you will notice that the power and mode buttons have illuminated. Simply tap the power button to switch the ring light on. Pressing the mode button will switch between two modes, brightness and color temperature. To change the brightness of the ring light, simply go to brightness mode and use the plus and minus buttons to increase and decrease the brightness to your preference. Changing the color temperature works in the same way. Simply go to color temperature mode and use the plus and minus buttons. Quick tip, for both modes, if you hold your finger down on the plus button for a few seconds, you can easily jump to the highest setting. It also works for the minus button for quickly jumping down to the lowest setting. To restore default settings, turn the device off and simply hold your fingers over the power, plus and minus buttons for a few seconds. You will see this animation to confirm the reset is complete. Now let's talk about the Bluetooth remote for taking those perfect selfies. Once you have your smartphone installed on the ring light, turn the Bluetooth remote on. You will also see a flashing blue light to indicate power. Now head over to your smartphone and search for some Bluetooth devices. The Bluetooth remote would be called AB shutter, so press that one. Once connected, you're ready to go. Quick tip, the Bluetooth remote consists of two buttons. One button specifically for iOS devices and another one for Android devices. Now let's jump into my favorite part, using Alexa to control the ring light. Quick tip, if you haven't already, register your speaker device first before continuing. Open the Amazon Alexa application on your smartphone to begin pairing the ring light. Press Add Device, Light, and then Other for the brand option. Press Discovered Devices and allow Alexa up to 45 seconds to find the ring light. The control board will show this symbol once paired. Next, press the Setup Device button on the Amazon Alexa application to complete the process. Quick tip, changing the name of the ring light is recommended, as you may hear this response from Alexa. Alexa, turn my ring light on.
Did you mean first light?
Choose a name which rolls off the tongue for you. To keep things simple, I'm going to call mine ring light. Go into your light devices and press the device. Then press the settings button to edit the name. Let's give it another try. Alexa, turn on my ring light.
Okay.
Isn't that amazing? Whilst we're on the Amazon Alexa application, you might want another quick tip. You can also control the ring light's brightness and color temperature using the application manually. Now that's everything installed, here's a quick example of this product being used in a real-life scenario.
Alexa, turn my ring light on.
Okay.
Alexa, turn my ring light brightness to 50%, please.
Okay.
Alexa, turn my ring light to warm white, please.
Okay.
Hey guys, Sabby here, and today I'm going to be doing a what's in my makeup bag video, and it's going to be really exciting. So, first thing I wanted to talk about is this Anastasia.
Notice how quick and easy this social media star can turn on the ring light, adjust the brightness, and change the color temperature within seconds. It really is that simple to use. I truly hope that you have a lot of fun with this product, but there are a few additional notes that I need to tell you before I go. Please do not use the ring light in the rain or in a humid environment. Do not use chemicals or liquids to clean the ring light. Keep cables tidy to avoid tripping hazards. And if you have trouble pairing your Alexa device to the ring light, ensure that it has a built-in Zigbee, as some devices do not. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has helped you. So what are you waiting for? Become a professional today with Neewer ZRP16 Alexa voice control ring light.